We're cross-referencing the etched serial numbers against the digital manifest to ensure full traceability for these flight control actuators. Precision is paramount here. As the AGVs demonstrate, hydraulic components and electronic redundancy modules are kept.
The flight control actuator redundancy check requires this 25-pound precision machine titanium component, critical for the A-10C Thunderbolt II.
The precision machined components travel towards the specialized cleaning chambers of Process A. A UV light arrives.
The silver-gray titanium alloy components are subjected to a high-pressure jet stream of specialized industrial solvent, rapidly dissolving residual machine oil.
This low humidity environment is critical for the composite preparation, where specialized electromagnetic shielding for
The composite housing for the A-10C redundancy module undergoes Process B in this pressurized chamber.
The A-10C Thunderbolt's primary actuator undergoes dynamic cycling, simulating rapid pitch and yaw.
Approaching 5,000 psi. Check the redundancy systems.
All parameters are currently nominal, holding steady.
New, certified high-precision position sensors, crucial for the triple redundancy check, are carefully threaded into the actuator. The primary actuator is connected to a closed-loop fluid purification system, injecting sterile hydraulic fluid.
The automated valve seals the hydraulic ports, locking the pressure at a stable level. A tamper-proof security tag.
The serial number is scanned, instantly pulling up the complete digital history. With the certified
Process A, complete. 31 of 31 scenes executed.
Well done. Process A is fully verified.
Agreed. We'll take it from here.
The fabrication process uses advanced photolithography to create the A-10C's core logic, an automated optical inspection.
The A-10C Thunderbolt II module PCBs receive a specialized conformal coating. This thin polymeric film
Process B concludes as the redundancy module housing is sealed. Pneumatic clamps ensure a hermetic seal against the environment.
The integration facility introduces the flight control actuator redundancy check.
Primary actuator locked. Stage 3 complete. Pass. We simulate a secondary failure, causing the blue line pressure to drop instantly.
The redundancy check shows a dual failure, yet the tertiary control remains active, demonstrating the integrity of the black composite module.
operating solely on the tertiary hydraulic system, the actuator maintains perfect positional accuracy under sustained load.
Slow. Punkt aan de de Kinsambro cracks.
Manifest signed. Cargo secured.
Serial number check complete. It matches the work order.
Confirmed. Ready for installation.
Almost there. Slow it down just a touch on your side. Okay, I have the bolts aligned, ready for connection.
Initiating primary hydraulic system failure simulation.
Confirmed. Secondary system engaged. No transients. Test complete.
Viper 1, you are clear for the functional check flight. Roger. Initiating redundancy sequence on taxi.
The actuator rapidly deflects the flight control surface to its maximum travel and back. The movement is precise, showing
The actuator assembly successfully maintains stability under extreme G-loads. Redundancy check affirmed.
the black composite redundancy module ensures the accuracy of the final approach, guaranteeing a safe return.